I'm going to show you guys how to make Play-Doh. I've chosen a very simple recipe, so it should be easy, and hopefully you have all the ingredients at home already. You will need cornstarch, conditioner, and food coloring. You will also need a bowl, a measuring cup, and a mixing utensil. You will begin by measuring 2 parts cornstarch to 1 part conditioner. I use 2/8 cup cornstarch and 1/8 cup conditioner. You could use more if you want more Play-Doh. For no mess mixing, use a tool. If you don't mind the mess, go ahead and use your hands. Once you've finished mixing, you can add color. I would recommend using a primary color first and using a tool. If you use your hands, it may dye your hands that color. You could add a second primary color and mix the two together to make a secondary color. Let's explore the elements of art using things we find around the house. 2 points connecting make a line, make a shape, create texture, divide. Once you're finished, store your Play-Doh in an airtight container or Ziploc bag.